Welcome to our tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to set up and manage your products and catalog. A product refers to an inventory item. Each product needs to have a unique ID. Before we proceed to create the product details, do take note of the following guidelines. Alphanumeric characters can be used to create the product ID. Special characters are allowed for the product ID except for space, square brackets, and the apostrophe. The maximum character limit for product ID is 11 characters for a 50mm by 25mm barcode label and 20 characters for a 100mm by 50mm barcode label. Now that we've gone through the guidelines, let's get started. Click on the settings icon to access the main menu. Select Create Product ID Details to create a new product in your database. To begin, create a unique product ID for the new product. You can create your preferred ID, or you can use the auto-generate function to assign an ID. Type the product description and detailed description if any. Assign the product class, product type, product brand, and unit of measure. Fill in the rest of the details. If this product is not an inventory item with a physical stock quantity, select Non-Inventory Product. Transportation, delivery, and other services rendered are considered as non-inventory products. You can also create the catalog details and upload a photo of the product. Type in the description for the catalog item as well as the details to display in the catalog. Click Choose File to select the catalog photo to upload. The format of the photo must be either in JPEG or PNG. Click Open and the image and file name will be displayed. If you don't have a photo to upload when creating the new product details, you can upload it later at your convenience. To confirm the creation of the new product, click Save. In the event that the product and catalog item was created incorrectly, you can delete this and create a new one. If you need to edit the product and catalog description or delete an existing product, you can do so. Select Edit Product ID Details and select the product ID to edit. Update the details. In the event that this product is interchangeable with another product, use the Alternate Product ID function to map both items together. Click Add New Alternate Product ID and type the alternate ID. During the check-in and check-out transactions, you can select or scan the alternate item to represent the main product. If this product is no longer in active use, select Non-Active. Non-active products are usually discontinued stock items that are kept in storage but not actively tracked. If you want to delete this product ID from your database, you can only do so if there is no inventory quantity. Use the outbound function to perform a full checkout. Once the inventory quantity for the product ID is 0, you will be allowed to delete it. When you have finished updating the product details, remember to click Save to update the changes. If you need to edit the catalog details or upload a new photo, click Edit Catalog Details. Update the information. Click Choose File to select the file to upload. Click Open and the file name will be displayed. Remember to click Save to update the changes. To have an overview of all the products in your database, select Summary Product ID Details. You can search for a specific product ID or by product brand, product type, and product class. Or you can click View to see the full summary. You can export the product summary list in PDF and Excel formats. You can also view the summary of all your catalog items. If you click on a specific item, you will be able to see the catalog details. Now that you have learned how to set up your product and catalog, it's your turn to try. Once you've completed the setup, view the next video to learn how to set up and manage your locations. Thank you for watching!